Hello everyone and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you all how to create nutritional resources for your clients. Starting off, we're going to go through our Studio tab to get to our resources and resource collections, and we're going to start with our resources. So here, to add a new resource, we're going to go up here in the top right, and with these you can add any links, documents, or forms, links from the web, any documents like PDFs or Excel sheets, or any form or questionnaire you've built on the platform as well. Once you've added them into your resources tab, you can categorize them into separate collections and share those collections with your clients. To do so, we're going to go in Resource Collections, and we're going to add a new collection. You're going to give it a title, and click Create, and then from there you can choose a resource that you've added in the last tab to put into this collection. So for example here, I have an article on the importance of protein. We're going to add it in. Once it's added, you can take this collection and click on Clients. We're going to save that first. Click on Clients, find a client you want to assign it to, and you can assign it to your client through here. Once it is assigned to that client, this client will have access to everything else you put in this collection as well. Thank you all for watching. I hope this helped.